Hi friends. So I'm about to test my glucose and my ketones with my Keto Mojo meter, and I wanted to show you because I feel like I've really started, I haven't mastered the camera or the phone, but I've really started to master this thing. Hold on, let's try it. Put my essential oils behind them. Okay, so today's day 1 of our 5-day water fast. Dr. Dan and I are both doing it, but testing your glucose and your ketones is really one of the best ways to see how your body's responding to it when you've gone into ketosis, like if you're using those ketones or not. So I've got my little glucose strips, and I've got my my ketone strips, and I feel like I've really mastered this guy. So at first I was afraid because there are multiple levels. So I put on the lowest level, pricked my finger, and then no blood came out. And so I was kind of mad because I had to do it again. So here's what I found. If you're going to put it on the lower level, you're going to have to like smash it into your finger. But I don't like smashing it in because of the anticipation. So I turn it all the way up to high and then pull the little guy. And then the best place for me, and some people maybe they do this all the time, and it was no big deal for you, but I had to prick my finger like 6 times before I actually got a good spot. And so anyways, it's like right there. You can actually still see it this morning. That's funny. Right there. So you don't want to do it like right on the very end because there's so many nerve endings, it's going to hurt a lot. So I like to bring it down just a little bit and then off to the side. And so barely put it on there and poke. Really wasn't that bad. Squeeze your finger until the blood comes out. Hi, Linda. And then stick it in the meter, and then it's going to go through. It turns like off and then on, and then it says CH. I think it's like, it's just calibrating. And then when the little thing starts flashing, that's when you're ready. So if you don't have enough blood in your finger, guess what? You can kind of just work it out of your finger. And then I like to hold it up and just scrape it like that. And it says glucose in 4, 3, 2, 1. 77. Yay! 77, feeling good. Adjusting people, doing fine. So you can just pull it out and then stick it right back in. And again, it goes through like all kinds of numbers and on and off and CH and then numbers. And can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. Okay, when the little thing starts flashing, like, oh, it says 886. That's just the ketone strip because it has to calibrate for the meter. So, squeeze a little bit more blood out of my finger. Hold on. Started to dry because I was talking too much. I miss you too, Linda. Come home. Okay, so there we go. Ketones in 4, 3, 2, 1, drum roll. 0.6. Yay. So this morning, for whatever reason, it was reading low. But all I've had today is water. Starting to get a little bit of a caffeine headache, just to be honest. But we're going to roll right through this. Dr. Dan, I'm about to go prick his finger and see what his glucose and ketones are. So once you're above 0.5, then that means that your body is burning ketones. So that's kind of cool. And yeah, that's all I want to share with you today. And these little guys kind of keeps you going. Fast tonic. We just dropped one in our water. It's like the old Alka-Seltzer. Bubble up. Okay. See you soon. If you're doing your own fast, good luck and you can do it.